the elevator at some office building in Aspinwall, Pennsylvania. This is a ThyssenKrupp Impulse elevator. Black doors. ThyssenKrupp Type 20 controller. We'll go up to 3. Here you go up. This is called the Homes building, according to a certificate. Whoa. That was strange. Here at 3. We'll go back down the run and ring the bell ThyssenKrupp trick. No phone, just red wiring. Whoa, pretty basic cab. Here's a certificate. Homes building, 17 Brilliant Avenue. Case 59's elevators. Here back on 1, pretty basic Impulse. Oildraulic, I believe. Here it closes, and that's going to be it.